How to add collaboration on Instagram after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a collaboration on Instagram after you have already posted in. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the post that you want to add the collaborate to. And now here, once you're inside that post, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of that post. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can just select edit. And after that, you can just tap on tag people. And after that, you can just tap on invite collaborator. And from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on invite. And after that, you can simply search for the person name or select them from the list of your followers. And once you have searched for them, you can just select them from the list. And once done, you can just tap on invite to collaborate. And with that, once the person approve your invitation for the collaboration, then the particular person will be added for your collaboration instantly. And that's it. That's how you can add collaboration on Instagram even after posting. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.